In this video, I'm going to share a web page that we can build for you when you have a need to promote a property as potential investor property. And this web page is a little bit different. So some of the information is directed at potential investors. So there will be some differences in the way the information is presented. So the first thing we have here is just the normal marketing photos. We have drone photos, edited high quality photos for the listing videos, professionally shot, professionally edited. And then we have floor plans with and without measurements. And then we have detailed information on the property. So this is something we can put together for you. It has information about the property, about the community, about the location, about the market for this particular property, financial information, general financial information, statistical information, and then we also have a basic unedited video. So there's no pause, there's no graphics. We just I turn the camera on and simply, slowly, smoothly walk through the property. I have put music under the video to just give it some element of interest, but it's not your average marketing video. It's a simple, basic investor video. So the purpose of this, it's showing the property as is. I'm just going to scrub through it real quick. Increase the resolution there. And then it goes right out the back door, off the deck, into the backyard. So it's not your typical real estate walkthrough video. It is an unedited investor video. Then we have a tour package where you can see the same photos in relationship to the floor plan. So you can click through the photos and it will show you where you are. So if you see when I click the photo, you'll see it highlight here. Or you can click on the floor plan and change the picture. So you can come in the front door, walk around the living room, and you can see the relationship of where you are in the room. Let's go back to the website. We have a Google Earth, so you can see without having to Google the property and look at it. You've got it right here. We have an expanded version of the floor plan laid out, floor plan with measurements, and then we have a home report. So it does some of the same information, but it's going to go through and give detailed information on each room, showing the number of rooms, square footage, how it's counted, is it living space, go in and summarize each room. So you have the dimensions, the area, and then a summary is it heated, finished, enclosed. So you have a lot of detail in this home report. And then we have the real estate agent's contact information. So other things could be added, but we just wanted to give you an example of what could be put together. And all of this is hosted on Real Estate Photographer Pro, and then we've given the URL as the property's address. So you have a home report, floor plans, Google Earth, walkthrough tour room by room with a floor plan, investor walkthrough video, detailed information in writing on the property, photos of the property, and drone photos of the property. Let us know if that is something you would like for us to help you with for properties that would fall in that category of needing an investor website.